What is going on, everybody? My name is Wadi The Crypto Hunter. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys had a blessed day so far. And before we get into anything, I'm gonna talk about U.S. inflation. I'm gonna talk about what's going on with Sam Bankman-Fried. I want to talk about the Ripple case a bit, uh, Binance, and also what's going on with XRP. So, but before we get into any of that, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, turn on the notifications so whenever I come on live again or put out a video. So, without any further ado, let's first talk about the US inflation. Let me share my screen over here. Okay, so it says US inflation climbs to 3.2 in July's stocking concerns and dividing market opinions. The most recent data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics reveal a growingly intricate inflationary scenario for the U.S. economy disclosed on Thursday. The Consumer Price Index for all urban consumer (CPIU) exhibited a 3.2 annual increase in July, primarily propelled by housing expenses. This month surge aligns with June 0.2 escalation, where food costs and automobile insurance similarly contributed to the inflationary computation. 3.2 inflation in July. U.S. economy faces growing pressure amid rising costs. The U.S. economy is experiencing pressure as the Consumer Price Index (CPI) demonstrate a hastened year-over-year increment for July per data unveiled on Thursday by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. The CPI climbed 3.2 from the previous year, marginally accelerating from June 3% annual growth. Prices also advanced by 0.2 in July compared to the preceding months, echoing June 0.2%. Monthly enhancement, this moderate inflation hikes as economists, policymaker, and consumer on guard. July inflation statistics have rekindled discussion regarding the viability of the current economic resurgence with a 3.2% surge in CPI. Analysts are meticulously observing indications of a greater upward trajectory in the approaching months. The Federal Reserve outlook on fiscal policy and interest rate may be swayed by these figures, prompting potential shift that could affect borrowing expenses and investment. Upon publication of the news, economist and gold proponent Peter Schiff offered his perspective. Don't believe the financial media. Spin at July 3.2. YOI CPI rise with YOI core at 4.7 means the Fed is winning its war against inflation, Schiff stated. Core is bottoming and the headline number is about to rise, sharply led higher by surging oil price. The Fed has already lost. Economist and president of the Brownstone Institution, Jeffrey Tucker, shared his viewpoint, proclaiming CPI same in July as it was in June, namely 50% higher than target, which will no doubt be reported as continued cooling and easing. Look, this was supposed to be continuing to fall to the target. This wicked tax has been eating through the dollar value for 31 months. The market response to the CPI figure was divided, mirroring the ambiguity and encompassing the greater economy landscape, while certain investors perceive the inflation acceleration as evidence of strong economic growth. Others are concerned about potential overheating and issuing policy time requirement on a month-to-month basis. The 0.2% price augmentation remain consistent with June. So basically, if you know what's going on when the CPI data comes out bad, the whole crypto market actually crashes. And when it comes good, usually Bitcoin is supposed to pump. So today, let me take a look at the chart real quick. Um, there we go. So yeah, today's market is actually not looking so good at all. Our late 13. Hello, hello, welcome. Good afternoon. Appreciate you being here. So according to, let me see the 4-hour chart. Let me put this bigger. Let me highlight this right here, bring it down. So yeah, the Bitcoin top, which if you can see right here, got rejected once, twice, practically 3 times. Every time we go past this line, it gets rejected, and it has a huge sell order right there around 30,100 and some change. So being that right now the market is actually have the chance that's going to continue going lower, and that's just my opinion, not financial advice. And here we have a very strong support, which is around 28,874. So what I think that could possibly happen is that Bitcoin is going to be within that range for between 30,000 and the 28,800. Now, reading that, let's go to what's going on with Ripple that actually just got listed or relisted in Gemini today. So that's actually bullish news. Coinbase already relisted XRP. Gemini has listed XRP. So we just need a couple of more exchanges to actually list XRP from the US, and then we're good to go from there. Funny enough, I don't know why my computer just did that. So it says Gemini Crypto Exchange has announced that user can now deposit XRP tokens on the platform. Gemini confirmed it now accepts XRP deposit after days of speculation driven by a cryptic post on its verified X account. The post, a thinking face emoji, was made in response to a question by crypto journalist David Garstein, who wondered whether Gemini would release XRP. So obviously, this news is a little late because I just saw a tweet where it says that it is listed already. So hopefully, we're just waiting for every other crypto exchange to relist XRP. Now, this it's kind of a concerning news, which is the fact that Binance US failed to produce accounting statement despite the extension. Let me read the article real quick. As Binance US countered the United States Security and Exchange Commission SEC lawsuit, a federal court recently asked the exchange to provide accounting statement. However, citing complexities, they requested an extension, which was granted. Um, Weeks later, Biden's U.S. is yet to submit a court statement, prompting concerns about compliance. Joe Calasare, a partner at Munson Davis LLC and the co-chair of the cryptocurrency, blockchain, and fintech group, shared a tweet on August 9 displaying a document indicating that BAM Management US Holding Inc., which is behind Binance US, had a consent order to submit a verified written accounting to the commission within 45 days of the issuance of the consent order by the court. This will have set a deadline of August 1st, and obviously we're already on August 10th. So it says Binance couldn't deliver a written accounting by the court deadline. The shared document shows that BAM did put effort into complying with the consent order. Despite their effort, Binance US could not meet the quality control requirement within the original deadline due to the large volume of information required for verification in written accounting. Nevertheless, the exchange said they are working to complete the task. What's going on, Jeff? Welcome, brother. Appreciate you being here. Yeah, I'm having a good one so far. Hope you're having a great day yourself, Jeff. Just the dockets and filing highlighted a minute order issued by Judge Amy Berman Jackson 6 days prior. The order granted defendant BAM Trading Service Inc. and BAM Management US Holding Inc. requests for additional time to submit a verified written accounting to the SEC, I believe that's 6 of the consent order dated June 17, 2023. The deadline for submitted the accounting was rescheduled. Binance CEO attempt to shut down U.S. operation. Champagne CZ Shao, Binance CEO, attempted to shut down the exchange's U.S. operation earlier this year. However, the company board of director did not unanimously decided on closing the U.S. branch. Brian Schroeder, CEO of the U.S. Operation Division, prevented the resolution to close the branch while CZ continued to advocate for stopping U.S. operation. CZ motivation for this move is linked to the complex regulatory landscape confronting the crypto industry and Binance within the United States. So obviously, everyone knows that CZ has been attacked for a good minute right now, but then this is the problem that I see, that the fact that they're actually having comply with the accounting information, that kind of raises concern, in my opinion. I'm not sure about anybody else, but to me, that's a red flag straight up. Um, but yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys and reading the whole article. Obviously, it says, in hindsight, it raises curiosity about rational, uh, rationale behind CC push for this supposed closure of U.S. operation. Interestingly, Binance International operation adhere to local regulation, as recently demonstrated by their assertion of a license in El Salvador. Yeah, Binance, the regular Binance Global, just got the license in El Salvador and also got the license in Dubai. Former associate of Sam Bankman Fried talking to federal prosecutor about potential plea deal report. Now, this I gotta see. A close Sam Bankman Fried associate is reportedly negotiating with federal prosecutor to plead guilty to criminal charges arising from the collapse of digital asset exchange FTX. Bloomberg citing people familiar with the case report that former FTX digital market co-chief executive Ryan Solomon, one of the Republican Party largest political donors in the last midterm election, could enter a plea as early as next month to offenses that include campaign finance law violation. That doesn't surprise me. The detail of a potential plea deal are not yet finalized. It's also not certain whether Solomon will strike up a corporation agreement with the prosecutor to testify against Sam Bankman Fried, but he could be the fourth FTX executive to plead guilty to one of the largest financial fraud in history. Former executive Gary Wang, Caroline Ellison, and Nishat Singh already admitted their role in the FTX scheme and will be key witness against Bankman Fried, who is set to face trial in October for diverting billions of customer funds to trading company Alameda Research. Solomon received tens of millions of dollars in loan from Alameda before the FTX crypto empire imploded last year. If this plea deal with the government pushes through, he's set to lose the private jet that he purchased while working at now defunct exchange. So obviously everybody is ready to snitch on Sam Beckman Fry, which doesn't surprise me. I mean, the guy looks sneaky, very sneaky. So hey, he's gonna get what he deserves, in my opinion. What up? So much fun in the house. Appreciate you being here, bro. Welcome, welcome. So obviously, with that being said, if everyone else is pleading guilty except for him, then it's obvious that he's gonna be the one taking the biggest hit. Now, Singapore Red Cross says it now accepts crypto donations. So maybe it don't mean anything, but at the same time it does because it's just massive adoption when it comes to cryptocurrency, which is something that I've been saying for the longest. Crypto is not gonna go nowhere no matter what they're trying to do, because at the end of the day, I actually have an article that I'm gonna share with you guys, and it's talking about the evolution of crypto and money. So I feel that that's gonna give especially new beginners, an idea of why cryptocurrency is actually important in today's economy. So it says, well wisher who wants to financially support the Singapore Red Cross can now do so via crypto donation. All donations are converted into fiat currency within 24 hours after the donation has been made. Benjamin Williams said that his organization has enabled a crypto option for donors who are tech savvy and wish to make a difference through their digital assets. So that, like I said, is bullish to me because it's just more adoption. Um, Regarding tax deduction, the Singapore Red Cross has said, well wishers can now donate via cryptocurrency, but donors will not receive tax deduction. Uh, yeah, that part kind of kills it. A report has said, according to the charitable organization, all donations are converted into fiat currency less than 24 hours after the donation has been received. As per a Stratement's report, the Singapore Red Cross has partnered with the crypto payment gateway AAA, commenting on Singapore Red Cross decision to start accepting crypto donation. Benjamin Williams, or organization CEO, said, by accepting digital currency, we open our door to a new segment of donors who are tech savvy and wish to make a difference through their digital asset. Um, okay, so by accepting donation in the form of BTC, ETH, and the stablecoin USDT and USDC, the Singapore Red Cross joined other local charitable organizations such as the Food Bank Singapore, which already accepts cryptocurrency. According to the report, other crypto acceptance Singaporean charitable organizations such as Daughters of Tomorrow and Cycling Without Age are using the platform digital philanthropy. So, I mean, like I said, to me, it's just me more adoption. Now, let's get into some projects, ladies and gentlemen. So, Smiling Pub, which is also Mr. Gin UK company, it says the Smiling Pub Company Ltd have come together with amazing partner to take Mr. Gin UK to the next level. NFT and gin. You can go wrong. Mosaic. So it says right here on the video, David Arnott, who is Mosaic master exhibiting at the Clarendon Fine Art Gallery, has been commissioned. Yeah, this thing moved too fast. Okay, so um just go to Twitter and you will find this information. To me, this is bullish news for the project itself. You guys do know I am sponsored by Mr. Gin too. That's why I have that bottle up there. It's not that I'm an alcoholic because I really don't drink unless it's a special occasion. So that is good news there. As far as Stewie token, Stewie has been holding up nicely the past couple of days. I don't see anything major. We're actually going to have a poker tournament within the 18th. So the deal with that is you buy 30 bucks of Stewie, you get the link, but the chances to win 700, if I remember correctly. So don't quote me on it, but there's a huge prize on there. So for $30 and you're good at playing poker, then I feel that's a pretty good, um, pretty sweet deal, in my opinion. Now the other project which I haven't spoken about so much, it's Pepe Max, which Pepe Max just did a 1% burn. They're thinking of doing another burn, and there is another data, sorry, regarding that project. Um, wait, let me get the phone real quick. I got some information based on that. Duh. Okay. Okay, so they burn 1% of the supply. And also, they're about to start a buying competition. So, I mean, obviously, none of it is financial advice. You guys make sure you make your own, you do your own research and make your own decisions on the project, on any project, as a matter of fact. Um, so that's it with Pepper Max. That's it with Stewie. Pawn has actually been holding up real nice. And every time I go to sleep, I see a drop, I wake up, and it's actually a little bit higher. Um, like I said last time, this has the possibility of actually being maybe the next Pepe, not 100% sure, but so far the pricing has been looking pretty sweet. I've been keeping an eye on it, and this is the chart. As far as the 4-hour chart, but not too much data because it wasn't really released that long ago. But as they say, it started from the bottom. Now we're here, right? So let me take a look at the 1-hour chart. Yeah, I mean, right now it's just going slowly sideways, but it's also slowly increasing in price. So just keep an eye on this coin. I feel like the more it trends, which actually it has been trending on X, I gotta get used to saying that because it's no longer Twitter. Then you definitely have the chance to hopefully make some money. I haven't seen any huge dump on it or anything like that. So that is it as far as that. Everything else, the crypto market, as you guys could see, BTC is struggling, trying to try 3 times already to break above the 30K level, and it keeps getting rejected. So, with that being said, I'm actually gonna be live. Uh, oh shoot, legal alien in the house. Dímelo, que lo que es legal. Welcome, brother. It was good to see you live streaming the other day, man. Oh, and I actually gotta hit you up, bro, because I'm gonna be in Texas. So if you wanna try to meet up or something, bro, let me know. Well, depending on what part of Texas you are, because I'm not gonna have you drive all the way to Baba F land or vice versa. Have my friend drive me over there. So yeah, everyone, that's pretty much it. What I got for today. There's not much going on. Oh, you in Houston? I'm going to San Antonio, bro. Uh, so yeah, I'll be in San Antonio. Eh, You know, I've been trying to do the stream back at 5:30, but if you guys hear the background noise, this is one of the reasons why I don't do it. I think I'm just gonna keep that at probably 7 p.m. That's not far at all. Where are you going? I'll be there from the 19th, like 10 days, from the 19th to the 29th. All right, bro. All right. So I'll let you know for sure. Oh, you sure? Cause man, I hear my mom banging pots in the kitchen, bro. Okay, but if it's not that noticeable, then I guess that's a good thing. Yeah, like in the next week or two, I'll be out there. Next week, practically. Yep, next week. Okay, cool, cool. No, I mean right now she just stopped, but she was doing some patelitos, and all you hear is her moving the pots and washing it, and you know how that goes. But yeah, guys, I'm actually going to be in San Antonio next weekend already. Ah, shoot, even better, bro. So then I'll definitely see you over there for sure. You're gonna get to meet myself, Sonia, and the kids, and my best friend from like about 25 plus years. I'm 37 now. I met them when I was 11. But people, I'm actually gonna end the stream here, and I'm cutting it short. But there's not much to talk about, and uh, okay, cool, 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 bro. So definitely, you still got the same number, right? Because if you do, then I'll hit you up as soon as I land over there, or as soon as I, already established at the hotel. I'll let you know. All right, likewise, likewise, bro. Take care, man. All right, guys. So I'm gonna end it here. It's gonna be a short stream. Usually I stream on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But since I didn't stream yesterday, I was trying to stream today. But yeah, same number. Okay, bro. So I'll definitely hit you up then. So with that being said, I'll see you guys at 7 p.m. on my Twitter space. And we're probably gonna run over the same thing or something new, depending on where the conversation goes. But with that being said, have a blessed night, everyone. I'll see you guys next time.